Hello, my name is Stuart. I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. Today is September 18th, and I've just aerated, seeded, and fertilized this lawn in the Sandpoint Country Club. And I'm going to come back in about a month's time and take a look at it. I had previously thatched this lawn, and now I'm just repairing it and getting it ready for winter. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, this is Stuart, and today is October 15th. And this is a lawn that I previously had thatched and aerated, seeded, and fertilized. I know I did the aerating, seeding, and fertilizing, I believe it was September 18th. And I was just driving by. I want to take a quick look at the yard that I had worked on. Just wanted to show you the results. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching company. And hey, thanks for watching my video. Bye-bye.